In this video I'm going to show you how to create a URL link for a PDF document. As you can see, we have a PDF document over here. Now the next step is to go to your Google browser and go to the 9 dots right on top. After that you will find different options. We will select the Drive option. This is how you open your Google Drive. Now the next step is of course upload the PDF file you would like to share with people or create a URL link for. So we will click on New. After that we will click on File Upload and then we will select the preferred PDF file which we want to create a URL for. So select the PDF file, after that open it and upload it into your Google Drive. Now as you can see, we have a message that the document is uploaded into our Google Drive. Now click on Show File Location and after that the PDF document will be selected. Now the next step is basically to go to the 3 dots right on the right side and there you will find different options. We will go to the Share option and then click on Copy Link. Now if you copy this link into an email or a WhatsApp message, you can share it everywhere you want. And then people can open your PDF file and download it. And this is how you create a URL link for a PDF document. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!